everyone, so today is going to be a very affordable makeup haul, and by affordable I think all of these products in total cost me something like 13 quid, and I bought them because Boots 17 is being discontinued. And I think it's really sad because it's a brand that's been around for such a long time. It's a brand that a lot of us kind of started out discovering makeup from, and they do some really good product. So let me jump right into what I've got. I've got a bit of a weird throat thing today. The first thing I picked up was a CC cream. Now I bought most of this online because they've got loads of stock online for everything, and everything is so massively discounted from them at the moment. I'll link it down below where you can pick everything up because you should, everything's literally £1. I got the CC cream, which is matte radiant, and it is in the shade medium. Shade wise, CC creams do tend to be on the warmer side for most brands. This is no exception, it is slightly on the warmer side. I could make it work, it was fine for me, but if you're very pale you might struggle. The packaging of the actual CC cream looks like that, which I don't think is the prettiest, but it's okay. And I used it this morning. It's what I've got on as my base right now, with just a little bit of concealer, and I really like it. It's nice. It's kind of got almost like a mousse-like texture, which I think is where the matte element of it kind of comes on board, but I will have a little play around with it still and report back to you how I like it. But well, it's kind of pointless because you won't be able to get it for much longer, but it was very inexpensive, and I'm always looking for nice CC creams because I way prefer them to BB creams or tinted moisturisers. Then sticking on the base front, I picked up this powder. I have used this before, I really liked it when I used it, and it's a 17 Miracle Matte Pressed Powder. Comes with a mirror and a puff, which, let's face it, Rimmel Stay Matte could do with taking tips from. I can actually top up. The puff it comes with is not a very nice quality puff, but I can top up my powder, can't I? But I usually tend to use this powder. Sorry, I keep noticing I've got flecks of mascara down my face. Yeah, I have used this powder before, and I always used it with a brush. Recently I've been using it with a Real Techniques blue, the blue powder brush. Works really well with that brush. Gives you a nice light coverage, but it's a really pretty powder, and it was very inexpensive, and it's a good handbag powder because, like I said, you've got a mirror inside it, which I always think is annoying about the Rimmel one. Then sticking onto base products still, well, kind of base I guess, I got one of the 17 Instant Glow cream bronzers. I used this before and I remember really liking it. I do like a cream bronzer in the summer. I think the tone of this is really quite nice. Looking forward to trying it, and it was like £1.50 or something. Then I also got two blushes. I got this blush, which is in the shade First Flush, and I'm wearing it today. It's a very pretty colour. It's a pretty blush, but it was quite kind of powdery, a little bit hard to blend. I ended up with kind of more blusher than I'd like, and I had to kind of make it work, which I'd prefer not to, you know, but it was like 90p, so that's something I'm not crazy about from the range, I will admit. They have got loads of the 17 Stay Time as well, that foundation, which you know I really like if you want something really full coverage, but I already had one, so I didn't need another one of those. I did pick one of these blushes, and this is the Cheek Stamp, and this was really affordable. I think the packaging of this is really super cute, and it reminded me of the Clarins stamp that I really like. Unfortunately, it's not as good, but basically you get a stamp, you get the thing inside, and you kind of stamp it on your cheeks. The Clarins one kind of blends itself. This one, not as much, but I still thought it was a very cute idea. So they're nice for travel, these kinds of things as well, or like if you're on a plane, that kind of thing. Lip products is another area where I think 17 really did stand out, and I picked up one of these Mirror Shine lipsticks. I used to love these, I had loads of them, don't know what happened to them. They didn't have many shades left in the range, unfortunately, but this shade right here is called Shouty, and it's what I've got on right now. It's just a really natural pretty pink colour. They're very glossy, very sheer, kind of like a lip gloss in a tube, but really pretty, like really nice wearable. If you're someone that's afraid of lipstick, they're good. And I think the packaging of these is really nice. The click's really satisfying, and I think it's very cute how the mirror slides out like that so you can look when you're putting your lipstick on. I think that's a really fun thing, so love that. Then I've also got this lipstick here by Natural Collection. Oh sorry, no wait, before I finish with 17, they were also doing a free gift with purchase in terms of eyeliner, and you got one of the High Drama Intense Liquid Eyeliners. Now I haven't actually opened this, let me try. Yes, I open things with my teeth, I know it's bad. I can't open it, I'm going to have to open it with scissors because it's, you know how they do that thing where it's just really like securely compact. Okay, I got it in the end. Let's see what this is like. I've never actually tried any of their eyeliners. It's one of those like small nibs rather than a brush, which I'm not as keen on, but very, very pigmented. Like very nice and even. So I will give that a go and see. And then I also just picked a couple of bits up from Natural Collection just because they've revamped the whole brand. I did want to try a few more, but buying online I wasn't sure. I picked up this bronzer from them in the shade Sunshine, which is a very pretty bronzer, but it's a little bit chalky when you apply it. I really like the packaging. I think they've gone for that kind of, it's almost like milk makeup, isn't it? Kind of the vibe with everything being embossed and white. And I did always really like their lipsticks, Natural Collection, but something was very wrong with the packaging and they always would snap. Something that actually happens with Glossier lipsticks all the time. The Glossier Generation G lipsticks, I love them. Beautiful lipstick, beautiful colours. They have all snapped in the middle. It's the most annoying thing ever with those, like, because they're not super cheap either. I'm like, fix your packaging, it's annoying. With this one from Natural Collection, it's in the shade Raspberry and it's gorgeous. I love this colour. It's such a flattering, wearable colour, and so far I think the packaging, they fixed whatever was wrong with it. I think the packaging is a lot better, and they are so affordable as well, so I definitely will be trying a few more shades from this range because I think it's really, really good. So yeah, that is everything I picked up in my haul recently. I hope you enjoyed this little very affordable makeup haul, and let me know what you pick up from 17, what products you like from them, what you're going to miss, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!